project. And again, we have the basic components are visible here. This is a fish tank. There's a couple of catfish in there. They're very shy. I'd show them to you, but I doubt that they would make an appearance. This is again is a type of grow bed, different shape than that one, obviously, but it's the same purpose. But this is what type of grow bed is this? Medium bed. All right, thank you. So you can see it's a again we're using lava here, a little bit coarser than some of the other ones. I wouldn't want to use anything much bigger than this. I prefer smaller is better. Although you don't want to use sand, because that sand can get plugged up. But you can see this is pretty productive. And then this is an external pump called an airlift pump. And later on we can talk about these. So in general, every system, unless you're going to fill it by hand, needs some kind of a mechanical pump to move the water from the low point to the high point. And we'll talk a lot about taking advantage of gravity flow, because we don't have a pump that pumps from here to here and then another pump that pumps from there to there. We're using just one pump. Pump it from the low point of the system to the high point, and then let gravity take it through the rest of the other components in the system. So in this case, we're pumping out of, here's another term for you, is a sump. A sump is just a place to catch the water, and you can see what's going on now is this auto siphon has triggered, and it's filling the sump back up. So we're pumping with an external pump of some kind, in this case an airlift pump. We're pumping the water up to this high point of the system, which is the fish tank. That water is just filling up to here and then overflowing and flowing by gravity into this media bed, the grow bed. The water is flooding and draining out of that. It's filling up, and then the siphon's kicking in, and it's draining back out again. The pump is running all the time. It's always refilling, but the siphon will outrun the input, and it'll drain this back down.
In that system, we had a pump inside the fish tank.